Hi.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Switzerland.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What's your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite color.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Can you help me?
Yes, sure. What do you need help with?
What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock p.m.
How's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing soccer.
Have you been to Malaysia?
No, I haven't been there.
What are you doing?
I am talking to you now.
Can I have a glass of water?
Sure, here you go.
Where can I get water?
You can get water from the fridge.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 3 siblings.
How can I get to the airport?
You can take the taxi.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Peter the Rabbit.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, I'll repeat it.
How much does it cost?
It costs $20.
Where is the nearest bank?
The nearest bank is down the street.
Can we meet tomorrow?
I'm sorry, I am busy tomorrow.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to a party.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite books is To Kill a Mockingbird.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Can you play a musical instrument?
No, I can't play any instrument.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Shape of You by Ed Sheeran.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, I would recommend Crystal Restaurant.
Where is Jack?
Jack is at the supermarket.
What's she doing?
She is buying groceries.
Where is Mary?
Mary is at the mall.
When will he be back?
He will be back in an hour.
Do you know who I am?
I have no idea.
Are you American?
No, I am German.
Do you remember me?
No, sorry, I don't remember you.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment with my family in the city.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Where is your sister?
She's in living room watching TV.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages, German and English.
What did you do yesterday?
I went hiking with my dad.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to school.
Is the supermarket near here?
Yes, it's opposite the bank.
Do you know Jennifer?
We are friends since our childhood.
Can you fix my bike?
Sure, let me see.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to exercise regularly.
Do you often go to restaurants?
Yes, I like eating out.
What would you like to drink?
Iced tea would be great.
Can I speak to John, please?
I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment.
How was your day?
It was perfect.
Do you usually eat lunch alone?
Not all the time.
How do you spend your evenings?
I spend them watching cartoons.
Why did you stop working?
Because I'm exhausted.
May I ask you something?
Yes. What is your question?
When did you buy your bike?
I bought my bike last year.
What do you do when you have free time?
I love to read and listen to music.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Spain.
Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is behind the city hall.
Where is the grocery store?
The grocery store is across from the pharmacy.
Where is the bookstore?
The bookstore is next to the coffee shop.
Where is the park?
The park is in front of the school.
Where is the bakery?
The bakery is just around the corner from the park.
Where is the health center?
The health center is near the bus stop.
Why do mornings seem tough?
Slow morning routine.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Why so early?
I need to be at school by 7 o'clock.
What time does the bakery open?
My bakery opens at 7:30.
What are you searching for?
I'm searching for my favorite toy.
Where is our teacher?
Our teacher is in the classroom.
What's he doing there?
He's watering the plants.
Where did Mom go?
Mom went to do some shopping.
What's the cat doing?
The cat is sleeping.
What color is your shirt?
It's light brown.
Why? What happened?
I'm not sure, but I'm not feeling well.
Are you feeling okay?
No, I'm not feeling great.
Do you have a headache?
No, but I have a stomach ache.
When is your doctor appointment?
My doctor appointment is at noon.
Where are you headed to?
I'm headed to Japan.
Why are you going there?
I'm going there to experience Japanese culture.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet. I don't have one at the moment.
How long does it take?
It takes an hour.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, of course. That would be nice.
Could we have lunch together one day?
With pleasure.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
What are you planning for after school?
I'm going shopping with my mom.
What are you planning to do today?
I am not sure yet.
What do you do every day?
I do my homework.
How is your day going?
It's going well, thanks.
What did you learn today?
Yes, I learned to speak English confidently.
Did you have fun speaking English with me?
Yes, I really enjoyed speaking with you.
Will we get to practice English again?
Yes, I'm looking forward to practice my English with you again.
Will you subscribe to my channel?
Yes, I will subscribe to it right away.